Hello and welcome back to the channel where we are making a video game from scratch using Love2d and Lua. So, I had a ton of work to do today and I just finished, hence the late stream. So, yesterday we worked on this opening cinematic, right? Tashio's knocked out, mage comes up, lifts him up with magic, takes him out, rescues him. But we're on this autumn grass location, which we need to be in a lava area. We need to be in the volcano biome with soot on the floor, with lava flowing, and Mage is gonna pick us up and carry us out. Now, it's 3:30. I've got work in the morning, but I just didn't want to not program or stream today. So here we are, and we're gonna try to make some very, it should be simple sprites. Like we want just like a simple dirt for the volcano, right? So like we need to make some dirt that looks more sooty than the dungeon, so more gray than brown, and then also some lava, potentially some lava animations, so that we can render some cool lava flow. So I'm gonna open up our master sheet here, which I am not seeing. Master sheet right here. Okay. So here's our master sheet of all of our stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and just maybe start adding different textures down here. We've got this snow texture. We can add dirt. This one's weird because this is like we'll need maybe, I'm trying to think of how the lava might look. Holy crap. Okay. So I'm gonna just pull up a reference image here for us to look at. Not quite. I wanted it like this. Okay. I'm just gonna leave that right here. Okay. So we need soot in general. So let's take our gray. Should be more brown than this. Yeah, kind of like a gray brown, right? But it should be, because it should look like dirt, but it should have maybe patches of soot kind of just chilling. I think I want it the other way around. I think I want it dark with lighter patches. So let's maybe try dark. Wow. Beautiful. We're so talented. Look at us. Okay. We need an edge piece to kind of bridge us towards a lava flow. So I think we'll use this as the starting point. Yeah. But we need a little edge here so that it can look like a lava edge piece here. So you know, if this is, we need our two lava colors. Holy cow, I am not gonna stream much tonight. I'm just so wasted. We probably need 3 lava colors. We need a yellow, a red, and orange. Yeah, you know, this like thinking about it, it's a lot tougher than I'm kind of sketching it out, because if we want the lava to animate, we have to figure out what colors it needs to animate. Then we need animatables for every edge piece. So it's gonna look, yeah, we want to design these all as one and animate it all as one, and then export the animatable tiles as each one. So we want to do this different, and we want to do a 16 times 3, which would be 30. No. 32, 48 is 3. No. 16 times 2 is 32. Plus 16 is 48. Okay, yeah. 48 wide by a 16 high, and we're gonna be adding, you know, this is probably a 3 or 4 layer animation, or a frame animation. So we're gonna come in here and just paste the starting point for these. Cool. So now we can kind of see that it's a lava pathway, right? So we can, yeah, we can change this. You know, I want this probably to be more orange. Okay. So, and you know what? Yeah, we'll probably just start without that. Okay, so I think the move is we'll mimic this, mirror it, tiled mode, symmetry, yeah, do in the y-axis, yeah. So now we can kind of see how this lava flow might look. We want it to kind of drip down like that. Maybe offset the loop here so it's kind of drooping. And then we can draw the red. Right here, the red is kind of on top and it goes to orange, then to yellow, so we'll just do the red on top here. maybe we'll have only on like the peaks or something. Yeah, not quite. You know, I want more space. It doesn't quite look like lava to me, so let's retry it. I mean, actually, maybe let's just try to erase some with yellow and just see what it looks like. So we'll just, paintbrush to yellow and see what... Yeah, it should be more sparse like that. But we need more texture, so it's like, yeah, that doesn't look lava. Most of the lava here is this orange color. So we need yellow for the speculars here, red for the darks. So what we'll do is we'll kind of swap this where this is orange and if we have this is orange, orange, let's do the highlights, and the highlights will look like different heights. Gosh, it's tough. Let's. I gotta get this all orange because it's just driving me hard to see. Okay. Yeah, the flow is kind of what I'm worried about getting right. So if we have it kind of drippy like that, and maybe we have these longer parts down part of the trough there, and then maybe we do see it's kind of like drooping down there, and then red right beneath it and above it. So we'll do this kind of right beneath it. And above it. I liked the other red we used to have, this brighter red. Yeah. The orange should be more orange too. More yellowish. Yeah. That's probably too much. Yeah, that's looking better. Yeah, maybe a little more yellow. Such a fine balance. Kind of liking that. So hard for me to tell where this should go. I don't know, I don't like the shape of it. I don't like the... I think we want two. I think we want this to be droopy too, but maybe thinner. It should be the same shape. So it looks like it's flowing. It's too close. It's too close. We need to slim this up a bit. Looks too crowded, man. It's just like so hard to get it balanced. Honestly, whatever we did very first was actually looking better than this. This is really tough. It needs to look smooth. This is bad. Yeah, I don't like this at all. Okay. If we had a shape like this and this shape kind of wiggled a bit, and then this is highlighted with the proper red color that gets thicker on this downturn here, maybe? Oh, that's looking much better. Yeah, that's looking better. Yeah, because it's like this from a still, I think, kind of reads as lava, but it'll really sell it once it animates and kind of wiggles a bit. I think that could be really cool. Yeah, I think the orange needs to be redder. This is much better. This is much better, but I still think it should maybe drip down a bit more. That's looking pretty good. Yeah, so if we imagine, this yellow part animating, right? So, like wiggling just a bit, trying to get back to normal there. So I think maybe we have like what three or 4 frames of this. So if we look at this, yeah, like the pixels we're actually drawing here is this. So this needs to end up here again. So like we should get the basic shape and then worry about the animation. So I think let's see what 4 frames looks like. So if it's 4 frames, first frame's here, second frame would be a quarter of the way coming back, right? Like I think it's like, if this is the 4th frame, you know, we need to end up where we were. So if we shift this up, I guess it would be, if it's 16 pixels tall, a 1/4 of that would be 4 pixels up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be up to getting us back by the next frame. So by that frame. That's too much, you know, we need... Yeah, that's too big of a jump for 1 frame. If it's 4 frames, 0 pixels, 4 pixels, 8 pixels, 12 pixels. The next frame back to 16 pixels. Yeah, we need more than 4 frames. So I guess what we'll do, we'll copy this, we'll paste it, and we'll move. It'll be a little less than 4 pixels, so let's just move like 3 pixels, I guess. And then kind of repaint the bottom of it to be normal. Okay, so if it goes from there to there, it looks like it's drooping down. So now we need from here to lower to lower to lower to this one. Okay, so if it's about 4-ish pixels, 3 to 4-ish pixels, we can know. Oh, and we're moving our dots, which we don't want to move. So I think what I'm going to do is just copy our dots over here. Make sure those don't move. Okay. Okay. Well, we're making some progress here. And it looks like if this one is there, we need to move this one up 4 pixels from this one. So we could, and I want to round out the bottom here. Yeah, like that. And then copy this in its entirety. Paste it as our new starting point. And then move up 4 pixels. Ish. What is going on, man? Why is this the paintbrush, dude? I want literally a pixel. What the Never seen this before. Pencil tool. Why is the pencil tool a big old thing? Okay. Man, dude. Okay, we need to move this up by like 4-ish pixels. Okay. Then we need to draw it. So we'll match it. The top of this kind of curves out. We kind of cut that off, but it curves out. So if we highlight the right thing, this kind of curves up here. We screwed up, we copied over our pixels again, our side pixels. That kind of goes up. Okay. I basically just want the basic shape of it here first. You know, we're just trying to see if the speed is looking okay with how it's like dripping down. Yeah, I think it's looking okay, because then, you know, we need this to go down, 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 and it should go down to the next one. There. Okay. So let's work our way down from this one this time. So we'll copy all of this. We'll go here, we'll delete, we'll paste, and then we'll shift it down by 2 or 3, and then this one will be down another 2 or 3, and it'll be something like that. Yeah, I think one more down. Yeah. That's looking pretty good for the general movement. You know, know, but it should wiggle, right? It should wiggle, and that's a little too fast, but let's get the generic colors in there. Okay. It's tough because it needs to blend with itself, yeah? Like, it needs to loop. Which means over some sort of pixel count, it's gotta get back to its starting point. And that proves to be hard to kind of animate. See, but from frame 1 to 2, we go down like 2 pixels, but it might be okay. I do want to just copy the side pixels on all of them, so those sides don't move, because just the lava should be moving, yeah. And then same with this side. Okay, let's see it. Yeah, I mean, honestly, it's not looking, it's not looking terrible. It's readable, right? So this is good. This is a good start. Now, I do think like the general flow should wiggle a bit. So it's like this should maybe come, you know, it should maybe, shit. Yeah, it should maybe wiggle. Yeah, something like that. So it looks like it morphs over time. Honestly, not bad. I think the little ball in the middle here needs to morph. A bit too much, yeah. Like this one looks way wrong. do think we can extend the yellow a bit and droop it down also. For some more movement. You know. Yeah, we totally messed up the side there, but let me see more of it. Is there a way to say like 12 by 12? You know, it's just bugging me. It just shifts from so left to so right. So we can kind of make this one a little more neutral. Honestly, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I think I don't like that the red, yeah, the red, if we take out some of the thickness on the red here, it'll blend a bit better. Looking good. Honestly, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Now, I think the move is we just match these side pieces with whatever active lava is there. And then I think it'll really kind of sell the movement there. So that's looking right. Yeah, that's all looking right. Yes. So we'll just kind of match, you know, like this one, red, and then yellow. let's see. I think it's cool. I mean, it reads, I think. It reads as lava, yeah. I think I just want to make the edges more bumpy. So, like, I think I want to make them more, like... Let me think here. Yeah, I think I want like a deeper wiggle to this. I guess it gets dangerous if we want these to be non-collidable and we want to use this more. Because like that's, yeah, maybe what we can do is shift this over just a bit so there's only 2 pixels of overlap. Yeah, let's do that. That's too deep, huh? Yeah, that looks too deep. Maybe we can have just a little bit. No. It's too much. It's too many pixels. Like I think, yeah, I mean, I think what we can do is just like a bigger kind of sweep on the, you know, we need less bumps here, so we can kind of combine bumps and troughs. So if we were to kind of erase this one line, nope. Something like that. Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to see without seeing it, you know? Yeah, I think it does look a bit cleaner than this. Maybe we offset this bump a bit more. Yeah. I think I like that. And then we'll still match the color. I think that's looking better though. Okay, so we've got orange. Let's do yellows. Anytime a yellow needs to come match out here. Looks okay. I think I like that. Okay, yeah, I think I like it. Okay, so I'll tell you what, I'm essentially dead, so I gotta get to sleep for work tomorrow, and then we'll call this lava animation. Save it as a sprite, just so we don't lose it. Tomorrow, I'll see if I do like this and want to move forward with it. I think so, and then we'll I'll probably export these. Now, in order to pull these into our game and have them animate, they need to be part of an animatable tile set. So we'll need a left, middle, and right tile set for this anim thing, and then we have to make enums, right? Because like this is all it is. It's just these three sprites that need to be looping like that, and then we'll be able to make an enum of the first tile ID, and then if we give the tile ID as well as like how many frames we've got in the insert animatable class we've done, then we can start to add these into the game as a collidable map object layer that animates over time. So we'll start to try to add that into the game tomorrow, depending on how much sleep I get tomorrow. Anyways, this is looking good. I'm glad I got something done today. No commit. We missed the commit yesterday, but it's whatever. I had a lot going on yesterday, and yeah, so we'll call it a night. Right out here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll be back tomorrow.